Got the cough drop, and I didn't like the cough drop, so I decided to put the cough drop back into the package, but I didn't want to put it in the package, so I just put it into the wrapper that was in the package. So then I decided to put it on the floor next to my bed because because I'm lazy and I'm not going to throw it away. So I come back, and then it's like next to my floor still. But it's liquid. It's liquid cough drop. So that means there are aliens under my bed and I'm freaking out now.